Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the 2008 IT paper. So, what is the output printed by the following code? Here they have given few lines of code and they are asking for what is the output it is going to be print, right? So, the array created with a size of 6, the size of 6, and whenever an array is going to be created, it is going to end with the null character. Sorry, string is going to be created, it is going to end with the null character, right? So they have declared now two integer variables, one is I and j. Obviously no, it's going to index with 0 1 2 3 4 5, and this loop is going to iterate for I equal to 0, j equal to 5, and then there is no body in the third parameter itself. They are trying to perform a of I plus plus equal to a of j minus minus. What is the meaning of this one? These are post increment and post decrement, right? So first they are going to perform its operation, then it is going to perform increment and decrement operation. So indirectly we can call this right into two steps. One is a of I equal to a of j post, right? And second statement is I plus plus and j minus minus. Okay, so a of I equal to a of j means I value is 0, j value is 5, meaning that a of 0 equal to a of 5. Am I right? A of 0 equal to a of 5, right? So in place of a of 5, in place of a of 0, we are going to simply copy backslash 0, and then I will increment it by 1 and j will decrement it by 1, that is 4. Now a of 1 equal to a of 4. A of 4. A of 1 equal to A of 4 means here you are going to get D. Like this is going to process. Next, it is going to perform A of 2 equal to A of 3. Meaning that here you are going to get L, right? That's it. A of 3 equal to A of 2. 3 equal to A of 2. A of 3 equal to A of 2 means again L only. And so on. A of I less than j only, right? So here it is not going to perform, because here they mention clearly I less than j, meaning that when I value is less than j, but here we consider it as 3 less than 2, condition fail, right? So you should not consider this thing. So then once this condition is failed, it is going to come out of this block, and they are trying to perform printf percentage s comma n, percentage s comma a. Okay, so here percentage s comma a means it is going to start its printing from this location, right? Percentage s will try to search for null character in order to identify the end of the string, right? So here if you observe here, in at the starting stage itself you got null character, so this will assume that this is the end of the string, and will stop its execution. So is there any print? Is there anything is printed? No. That's why you are going to get null string as output. Okay. Thank you.